Hi guys, hello everyone. Our today's topic is that which queen you are. Okay, so who you are, or what is your soul purpose, or what is your life purpose. So basically, which queen you are, which type of a lady you are, and who you are in actuality. Okay, in actual who you are. So we will see that we have three options in front of us. One option number one is Queen of Wands. I'll show you. Option number one is Queen of Wands. Option number two is the Empress. And option number three is the High Priestess. Queen of Wands, the Empress, and the High Priestess. You can choose your option, okay? So, which queen you are, who you are, in actuality, who you are, okay? Or what you are, what is your soul purpose, or what is your life purpose, or what you are here to do on earth, okay? So all questions I am mixing it in a one video. I'll try to grab the energy. I'll try to answer all the as many as possible, okay? So yeah, let's see what is the energy is coming up. So we have three options. I hope you have chose your option. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, okay? So those who have chose this Queen of Wands, we will start with you, okay? Which queen you are, who you are, okay? Okay, Four of Wands, and we have the message that we'll see in the end, okay? So okay, I am getting two personalities. Those who have chose Queen of Wands, so you can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, strong fire and earth element I am seeing, okay? You are dealing with a Aries sign, or a Aries person is strongly affecting you, especially a male person I am seeing, okay? So I can see two personalities over here in this. You are here to create a wealth for yourself. First of all, wealth for yourself. So you might be an independent girl, woman, lady, okay? So over here, I hope it's just reflecting. I'm so sorry, it's reflecting. I hope you can see. So yeah, over here you are here on earth to create first of all, abundance, money, house on your own, of your own, okay? And I can see entrepreneur vibe. I can feel a businesswoman, business entrepreneur type of a person, a lady, a female who is going to do something on her own, okay? And why you'll do something on your own? Because of your past heartbreak, or because of your past emotional traumas, or because of your past hard emotional matter, emotional loss. That is what I'm seeing, okay? You might be a beautiful personality, okay? You might have a long hair, or if not, then brown hair, black hair, okay? People are really attracted to you. You can be a good communicator. I mean to say, you have good communication skills. So over here on earth, I can see you guys are, in actuality, you are here to create your house, your own home, your money, your abundance, your own wealth on your own, okay? Without any support of your father, without any support of your boyfriend or husband. On your own, you are going to do. That is what I am feeling. So you might be a business woman or entrepreneur, or else you are a social media influencer, or you are famous personality, celebrity, okay, on social media, or you are famous personality, or some sort of influencer you are, or you have a business online, or you can be a YouTuber also, or a tarot reader also. You can become a one also, because I can see your intuition is also very much strong, and you till this time your intuition is only guiding you, because you have, in past you have seen a lot of emotional loss. People might have broke your heart. That is why you have been very much defensive. Not exactly defensive, is too harsh word. I would say you are protecting your heart. Okay, and you, also might, I can feel people might have used you or want to use you, so that is why you are protecting your wealth as well, because whatever you have created, it is on your own. I can see that. Two personality I am seeing. One is Queen of Wands and one is Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so these two personalities are in you, within you. You have the strong intuition, you have the wealth, health, money, you have the abundance, you have the good personality, good looks, good communication skills. And I can also see you are also confused in, for some of you, you are also in confused in whether to choose, which path to choose, which career to choose. Okay, so because I am seeing two personalities, so you can go something regarding spirituality. You can also become a, you know, a YouTuber. You can also become a brand ambassador of a beauty product, or a, you know, model, actress, or a celebrity, uh, you know, those sort of line. Or also you can become do something on your own, on your own business, like selling something online, anything it can be. Okay, whether it is a spiritual stuff, whether it is a jewelry business, or anything sort of online, or in or you can, you know, open a shop also. So these options you can choose. If not, you are going to do in this lifetime from this option which I have told you. So, you know, you have the Queen of Wands personality as well as Queen of Pentacles personality, because you are a wealthy person, you are a stable person, and I can see you also, as well as you are a very fiery and passionate about your work, about your you know, dedication towards work, about your about your, you know, about your, how to say that, you know, you're a very dedicated person. You know, whatever work you do, you know, finish it up until and unless you don't finish it, you know, you'll be like, no, I will finish it. So I will complete my work. You know, those sort of personality you are, because you are very much dedicated to your work. Leo sign, I am strongly seeing with strong intuition. If you are a Leo sign, then I can assure you, you have a strong Leo in your birth chart somewhere. Okay, so on so which type of a queen you are? You are a Queen of Wands, good looking, charming, good personality, good communicator, good and stable and grounded and healthy and wealthy person. Okay, and you are an entrepreneur, business owner, or a YouTuber, or a good social media influencer, celebrity, anyone you can be. But you know, whatever you'll do something on your own. Okay, you will not work under someone else, and people might be jealous of you also, since even when you have not started this your journey, your you know, journey of becoming a famous personality, or journey of becoming a, you know, becoming a entrepreneur. So you have faced, you know, lot of jealousy of people. If not, you know, this is your path, this is your journey, you are going to do this in the future. But most of you, I can see, you are already on that path, or you have already achieved something. So you can be a tarot reader as well. I can see, oh, a lot of tarot readers are visiting my channel. That's great. So since still I feel, you know, you are still feeling guilty, or you are still feeling the loss of the past person, emotional, you know, emotional matter, in heart matter. You know, you have faced any sort of heartbreak. It can be, heartbreak is not necessarily, you know, it is always about your boyfriend or husband, or wife or husband, whatever, ex-lover. It can be about family member, friends as well. So I want to pull out one message for you regarding this emotional loss, which you are still feeling it, and still healing it, and still angels are helping you, and still, you know, you are sometimes getting confused on your journey, on your path to become this Queen of Pentacles or Queen of Wands. It means to become a leader, to become a wealthy person, to become an entrepreneur, or to become a you know, YouTuber or to become a spiritual person. So what is the message for that person who has, with whom you have attached, very much attached emotionally in past? I know it's been so long, but I want to give you something which you and your family both will love. Please smile for me, as now I understand everything. So this is the message from the person. This can be your ex lover or your soulmate, twin flame, ex-husband, or this can be your friend, family, anyone who has broke your heart, or anyone who has been hurting you, or anyone in this can be anyone, not necessarily it will be your lover or a love relationship. It can be anything in emotional matter. That is the message from the person for whom you are thinking about, of that emotional loss. That I know it's been so long, but I want to give you something which you and your family both will love. Please smile for me, as now I understood everything. So this is the message from that person whom you are thinking about. This can be friend, family, lover, can be anything. Okay, so that person wants to say this to you. So because you are going ahead in your life. If not, then soon you will be going ahead, but there is that smile is missing on your face. So that your person is saying, that missing that, because I feel, still you feel that loss, and you healing journey, angels are healing you, you are trying to heal yourself, but that smile is missing. What I would say, that you are not in that much pain, but you forgot how to laugh, how to smile like you used to be after this loss, or after this guilt, or whatever this has happened in emotional matter, whether it is in family matter, with family members, or whether it is your best friend or your lover. So this sort of energy I am getting. Pile 1. So this type of queen you are. Your sole purpose, I can see, will be in spirituality, or selling online, selling products, spiritual product online, or doing your own, starting your own business or something like that. If not, then just creating a wealth and a house, making your own house from your own money without any support of a husband or a boyfriend or a father or any male support, without any male or brother or a friend, any male support, without any male support, without any male support. You are going to do something on your own, whether you start your own business, you'll become an entrepreneur, businesswoman, or you'll become a spiritual leader, or a social media influencer, or a YouTuber, or a celebrity, or a spiritual person, tarot card reader, psychic medium, strong personality, intuitive personality. So those sort of things I am seeing. But you are a very beautiful personality, that is what I am seeing. Also I am seeing you are from I can see, I am sensing, Native American, I am sensing South Africa, I am sensing USA, I am sensing I've already said that, I guess. Yeah, America, US, or USA, or another country I can sense is that UK. Yeah, so in UK, anywhere in UK, okay, London, or anywhere in UK, or USA, or Africa, or Native American, those sort of people are watching, or you are from those countries. That is what I am feeling. Okay, just to be specific, I am just sensing that. So that is, you might also love sunflower, or sunflower is significant to you. You might use it, or why am I feeling here, you already have a YouTube channel. A lot of YouTuber watching my channel. Okay, so hi, hello there, how are you doing? So yeah, if not, you are a business owner, definitely you own something already, you are in this energy. Over here we have received the Emperor also, so I can see a lot of Emperor energy also, though you are a female, but I can sense Emperor energy in you. Why? Because you will become so strong without any male support. That is why I'm seeing the emperor energy. You know, you are, or I can also feel that most of you are more into your masculine energy, because you'll create your own wealth, you'll create your own house, you'll create your own world, you'll create your own business, you are doing everything on your own. I don't think this pile is created for 9 to 5 job. I don't think so. And if you are doing 9 to 5 job, it is going to change. It is going to change, guys, definitely. I can see most of you are on that path. If not, soon you'll realize, and soon, you know, because angels are working, angels are healing you, angels are working, so soon you'll become on that path. So this is what I feel for you guys. I want to go on and on and on, but I already have 15 minutes on my recording, and I also have to do 2 more options. But I can relate to this pile, you know. I feel like this is my pile. So those sort of things, vibe I am getting. So yeah, very good. I hope you got to know, you know, which queen you are and what you are going to do on earth, and what is your life purpose and your soul. If you're finding your soul purpose, then I am seeing that, you know, you will become a spiritual person. Yeah, you might have a tarot you might already have a YouTube channel, tarot YouTube channel, or you'll create one. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm fumbling a lot, so sorry. I do a lot of bloopers, so sorry guys. So let's move to the pile 2, those who have chose option number 2, the Empress. Oh, 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, the Lovers, oh, 5 of Pentacles, Sorrow, and this is the message for you. We will see in the end. Okay, so this pile, whoever, I hope you can see, guys. My camera is just moving around anything. Sorry for that. So yeah, I'm just adjusting my camera, so sorry. So pile 2, you are the Empress. You have chosen the Empress card, so definitely you are the Empress. Okay, or if not right now, then you are on the journey to become an Empress. Okay, Empress is the like Queen of Queens. Okay, the emotional, nurturing, caring, motherly type of a lady. Also the lady who don't take anyone's bullshit. Okay, the lady who is very much strong. I'm sorry, my camera is moving today. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just so sorry. Just let me adjust. So yeah, I feel like you have faced lot of difficulty in life. Definitely, you have faced lot of difficulty in life till now. That is what I'm feeling for you guys. You have faced lot of difficulty. Your heart has been broken. Your heart chakra. Someone has broke your heart. Someone is very much sneaky, very much playing mind games, or wants to take your happiness away, wants to take your energy away. They had two options. If this was a lover situation, they had 2 options, 2 choices. Even though they were attracted to you, they were your soulmate, or they had a strong bond or connection with you. I'm so sorry, guys, just a second. Yeah, so pile 2, someone has broke your heart, and if this was your lover, they had 2 choices. Okay, even though they were attracted to you, they were feeling strong bond with you, they have left you for money reasons, or they have left you out in the cold for any other choice, or they were confused, they are still confused, they have kept you in this situation like very much very much upset, very much sad. Yeah, so this can be also third party situation for some of you. Okay, third person's involvement. There was another lady or another lady in the picture. Yeah, Yes, that your person was very much sneaky. They have manipulated you. They have played mind games with you, and I can also sense that, if they, also you have not, you have also faced trouble in having good friends, in having a good people around you, in having good neighbors around you, in having good colleagues around you, good friends around you. You also have not got any sort of good lover also. This is your ex also for some of you, but your ex friends also used to be like this, cheating, lying, manipulating, those sort of lower vibration things they used to do, breaking your heart, taking advantage of your kindness, taking advantage of your money, taking advantage of you know uh, your good energy, taking advantage of your especially money also. So even though they were belong to a wealthy background, they used to take money from you, or you used to pay every time you go out. Or this can be your ex lover also, or friend also, I can see. But three department over here I can see. So sorry, my camera is today moving like anything. So sorry. I have adjusted it, but it's so sorry for that. You have, so this is, in your reading I am getting too many trouble, too much. I am not able to focus in your reading. So what I see is that, definitely you have faced a lot of troubles in your life, guys. Hats off to you. How you have felt irritated, you have felt frustrated, you have felt heartbroken, you have felt cheated on, someone has ditched you, you have felt like someone has taken your all money, someone has taken your house, someone has taken you know stolen your something, I don't know, purse, car, or your inheritance, something like that. So I'm over here, I want to say that, in every area of your, in every department of your life, or overall till now, you have faced a lot of troubles. Whether it was a bad lover, whether it was a bad friend, also bad lover, bad friend, and bad colleagues, and everyone around you was very much lower vibration. Even your neighbors also, I can see, for some of you, living environment also. So you have felt this much sorrow, and for some of you, I can see you are still, in this healing journey. For some of you, you are still in this heartbreak situation, and for some of you, you are just started healing, and for some of you, I can see that you have already healed, okay, and you have become an empress, okay, after facing lot of troubles and struggles and heartbreaks and emotional traumas and cheating and lying and those sort of things. After those sort of things, you have become, like an empress, okay. This was your journey. This has been long journey, okay. Your two lovers or two exes has did this thing to you, or broke your heart, or three lovers, for some of you three exes it can be. So now the person who has broke your heart, the person who is in your mind currently, strong feelings you had for them, that person's message for you is, let's see, I have cried for you, I have cried for you also. Believe me, I am getting so emotional. So your person is saying that they have cried for you also. So they have used also word. So I don't know why they are using also word. So that you need to check, okay. I have cried for you also. Believe me, I am getting so emotional. So this person, I'll just keep it over here. So this person, might be crying over you, or they have cried over you. They had two choices, and that another choice, third person has cheated them, and they have cried over them, and after that they have realized, and they have cried for you also. That is why they are using also. Or either they have cried on like they have cried, like while they have cheated you, or they broke your heart, you have cried, they have made you cried, and they have also cried, but they didn't tell you, that they have also cried. So that is why they are using also or. So that is what I'm feeling. I hope you got my point. I'm not confusing you. I'm so sorry. I've just got disturbed. My camera is moving around here. I can see in this file I'm feeling like very much disturb energy, though I make a lot of bloopers in my videos. But I don't know, in this pile I can see your struggle. I am feeling your struggle, your frustration, your anger, your irritation. I can feel in this reading, and a lot of disturbances also coming, a lot of delays also are coming in this pile, because you have faced a lot of delays and disturbance and irritation and anger and frustration and delays and heartbreaks in your life. That is why I'm feeling in this pile a lot of things, disturbing things. So this person is now emotional for you, though the person who has broke your heart, the person who is strongly on your mind right now also, currently while you are watching this person is on your mind. Yes, at least subconsciously or in your heart, somewhere in your heart, you are thinking about it. I am not saying you are waiting for it or those sort of things, but it's this person is on your mind definitely. So what you are here, what queen actually you are, like I've said, you are the empress. You now have bossed up. Empress, like you now have bossed up because you have faced 3 heartbreaks at least. Minimum 3 heartbreaks, from friends, from girl colleagues, from lovers, from ex, from boyfriends, from ex-husband. I don't know. So you have faced a lot of heartbreaks. If a normal person will have a heartache or heart disease if they are going through so much traumas or heartbreaks in their life, but you have become an empress. You have rising from phoenix. Those sort of vibe I am getting. You have gone through a lot of trauma and troubles and transformations, and that has made you strong, and that has make you that has made you empress, and now you have become like queen of queens. Ooh, good personality, good skin, good skin in the sense I want to say that you have a good skin, clear skin. You have a good figure, you have a good body, you have good hair, you have good eyes, those sort of things. You are very attractive, your aura is positive, your energy is strong, your personality is strong, your communication skill is strong. You are the queen of queens. You have fought a lot of battles. I feel like you are a war lady. Those sort of vibe I am getting. Ooh, my god. Yeah. So don't worry about this energy, this sneaky person who is still stalking you. I can sense that from someone from your past, or few people from your past still stalking you, and they are still the same. Except this person who has cried for you, and they are not now so emotional after breaking your heart. Except that person. I just want to end something and end on this and this pile on a positive note. So I just want to pull out one card for you. Maybe I have got less card. Okay, so yes. So what you are, what queen you are? You are the empress. You are the queen of queens. And what is your purpose, life purpose, or what you are going to do on earth, in your career as well as in your life? So you are going to be a magician. It means you are going to manifest anything you want. You can manifest anything, okay? And you are going to be a manifester, good manifester, definitely. If you want a good loving husband, you can manifest it. If you want your I don't know, if you want your wealth, money, and abundance. If you want money, abundance, you can manifest it. If you want peace and stable home life, you can manifest it. If you want to become famous, you can manifest. If you want to become owner of the company or become a celebrity, you can manifest it. You are moving towards now towards this calmer water. Some of you might shift your place, or some of you might soon you might shift your place, or some of you might shift your job if you are currently working somewhere. or under somewhere. This pile is also, not 9 to 5 pile. Okay, this, you are going to create something on your own in this world, definitely. Okay, and I'm not being specific what you are going to create, because it is up to you. It is up to you. The choice has been given to you. So life is what you make it. Life is what, you know that is sentence is applying to you. Life is what you make it. Okay, so that is, life is what I make it. So those sort of things I'm getting from this pile. You are the magician. You are going to create anything you want. Definitely. You have cried a lot, pile 2. You have cried a lot. So sorry for your loss, but that has made you strong, and now you have become an empress. If not, you are on the journey to become an empress. And if those who is watching are already an empress, they know what I'm talking about. This journey was to make you an empress. Now you can create your own life. Now you can create your own world. Whatever you want to create, you can create. If you want to have a baby, and a good loyal partner, you can have it. If you want to have a business, you can have it. If you want to have new home and safe stable place to live, you can have it. If you want money, abundance, health, wealth, you can have it. You are already in empress energy. For some of you, I can see you already have stable life and healthy and wealthy life. You are living like you are very wealthy. But if not, then you are becoming an empress. You are on your way, on that journey. So you'll come out of this. Okay, you are the magician, definitely. My god, you have faced a lot of things. I don't know what else to say in your pile. I'm just out of words in this pile, because a lot of emotions and heartbreak and heart blockage I am feeling in my heart chakra right now for you. I'm not able to find words today in first time in this pile. Wow, my god. So if I'm making any mistake or speaking so slow, so please forgive me for that. But I can see your traumas. For some of you, you still need healing. Please heal yourself, guys. Please heal your heart chakra. You might love greenery, or you love environment, then spend time with it. I can see what you are going to do. For some of you, yes, you are going to be a social activist, or you are going to become protector of environment. Whether you run your own NGO, or whether you join an NGO, or whether you create your own environment program, or to protect environment, some sort of those what organization or program you create on your own, or make your own, but something you are going to create which will be your own. And if you love greenery, and then you should spend some time in greenery, in nature. Okay, because it will heal you. Okay, I can see you love flower, you love planting, you love gardening, you love environment. So in that field, in that area, you are going to be famous. You are going to be famous, and here on earth you are going to do that. Okay, to protect earth, to protect mother earth, to protect nature, to protect environment, to protect greenery, to protect trees, to protect our mother earth. So yeah, our nature. So those sort of things you are going to do, and you are going to create an organization or something like that. Also, you will collaborate with a lot of NGOs, or you work with NGOs, or you will not do only one thing. You'll do 2-3 things. Whether you are helping needy people, or collaborating with NGOs, or whether you are creating some organization, environment protector, or something you are going to do on your own. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So you are going to do 2-3 things at the same time. Whether you run your own business also, and you are running the organization which protects environment, and you are growing trees, and you are stop cut, those sort of things. And third, you are also working with NGOs and helping needy people, and animals, and those sort of rescuing animals, and helping people with the shelter and home, helping homeless people, hungry people, those sort of things I'm getting. You already have that in you because you are the mother. Why? Because you are the empress, you are the mother of everyone, you are the mother of every child, because you feel so much love for others. You know, you have treated your friends and your lover like your like a baby. You know, you were so protected, nurturing, but they didn't value you. Your friends, or whether they were your ex people, or I don't know, ex friends or ex people or ex lover, they have not valued you. But they didn't value you, but you were very nurturing towards them. You were like a mother, and they were your person was throwing tantrum to you. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I think I should end this over here. I just feel like very much heavy energy in my heart right now, and so I'm so sorry for your loss, but that is how you have become an empress, and you are going to be, if not you are, and you are going to create a lot of things in this world. Definitely you are here on earth to create. So this type of queen you are, you are queen of queens. You don't need to work under anyone else. You are going to create your own 2-3 companies, or you are going to own 2-3 companies, or you are going to create organizations, NGOs, or 2-3 things you are doing, or you are going to do in different field and different department in different area of your life. So this is what I feel for you, pile 2. All the best, guys. Love you guys. My empress, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Okay, take care of yourself. Now let's see those who have chose the high priestess. Oh my god, pile 2's energy was heavy. Those who have chose the high priestess. Okay, over here we have received the empress. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can feel that some of you have chose all 3 piles. I don't know why, I am feeling it. This is the message which we will see in the end. Sorry. So yeah, so empress, so you might have watched second option, empress. If not, you are attracted to, you can go and watch it. I can see 2 energies. In pile 1 also there was 2 energies. So for some of you have watched 2 piles. If not, you have watched all the 3 piles. I can sense that. So if you are attracted or interested, you can go and watch pile 1, pile 2. Because in pile 1 I have received Queen of Wands as well as Queen of Pentacles, and pile 2 in pile 2 I have received the Empress, and in pile 3 I have received the High Priestess and the Empress. So definitely you are a tarot reader, psychic medium, an empress, a mother, a wife. If not a mother, wife, then loving, caring, very much loving, caring nature. You have, you are the mother. You, even if you don't have child, even if you have child, if you don't have child, you are very motherly to each and everyone around you. So you are an empath also. I can see a healer, empath, tarot reader, psychic medium, spiritual person. You are definitely, yeah. So, oh my god. So some of you are already single, but you are an empress, and you are like a very motherly and loving type of a lady. Very, very motherly and loving lady, business owner, entrepreneur, business owner, or oh my god. Even if you are married and having baby, or you are pregnant, then then also this applies to you. So 2 energies I am getting. You have everything because you have strong intuition, you have strong motherly, caring, loving nature, you have strong business qualities, business tactics. You are already belong, I can see you have already created your wealth. I can see you have created wealth on your own. You can, or you have created a house on your own. Definitely. If not, something is going to happen in your life which will make you a tarot reader, or a spiritual person, or an empress. Definitely. Wow. I also feel for some of you some sort of tired energy. You are already a mother, I can see for some of you. If not, you are married watching this, and if you are single, I can see some sort of tired energy. You are like tired, those sort of vibe I am getting. Doesn't matter you are single or married or having a child, and you are just going with the flow. Those sort of vibes I am getting. Oh my god. Some of you are married to your childhood friend, or if not, if you are single, then you are missing your past person. Okay, this can be your friend or lover, definitely. So signs I'll tell you: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio. Yeah, strongly Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Gemini also. I am seeing Gemini, yes. So these signs, initials I can see M, W, T, A, R, L, I, O, A. A also I am seeing initial A, initial M also, yeah. O also, okay. So you have, for some of you, you have started something on your, if you already not established, if you are already not a established tarot reader, then I can see you have started something on your own, some sort of project you have started of your own, and it is going to flourish like anything. Yeah, this pile is also I am seeing this pile is also I am seeing you are not you are not made for 9 to 5 job. Pile 1 and pile 2 also was the same energy, and in this also I am feeling the same energy. So for some of you, you have watched all 3 options. Yeah, and your life is going to change, guys. Your life is going to change. Why I am feeling that, this was your past energy, pile 1 or pile 2, and pile 2 was your past energy, and this is your current energy is Queen of Wands pile, and future energy will be this. So for some of you it can be okay. So yeah, you keep lot of things hidden, confidential. If you are a intuitive person or a business owner, you keep a lot of things inside your heart, confidential. I can see a pet. I can see a pet, lot of pets or birds you have. Okay, honeybee also I am seeing. So strong sexual life you are going to have if you are not having currently. So I can see dogs, rabbit, cat, lot of pets I am seeing. So you might love pet, or you should have one pet, or you already have pet. That is what I am seeing. So yeah, lot of, or a bird also you can have, or you are having. So those sort of things I am getting. So yeah, you are the empress, you are the high priestess. High priestess can see, and talk to spirits. A high priestess can be or you can say another world, she can she can listen to what spirits are saying, what angels are saying. She can be like a very strong intuition, psychic medium. She can be like a clairvoyant, clairaudient, and she can be like her third eye is open. Her she knows a lot of truth, and who is lying, who is not lying. She can see everything. She observes also. So those sort of vibe I am getting from you guys. Yeah, sorry if my camera, I am just touching my camera, I am adjusting my camera today. I am just adjusting my camera in this whole video. I am so sorry for that. So yeah, you observe a lot. You are true, you have a god gift. Okay, you have a divine gift. Your third eye is open. Yeah, for some of you I feel like you are in a goddess energy. You are like a you are like a goddess. I won't call you a queen, but I will call you a goddess. I can see that power in you, you know. I don't know what goddess or which type of goddess. I don't want to name anything like that over here, but I feel that type of a vibe. You are like a goddess, you know, very goddess energy. I'm getting strong. I don't know, even I don't know how to explain this into word. How can you explain a a goddess in a, you know, in a short video, like? But I will try to do that. So yeah, I'm getting the goddess energy along with this empress and high priestess. So you are like a strong mother. You are like a intuitive person. You are like a, you know, psychic medium, and you have that energy healer. For some of you, you are an energy healer. You have that power which goddess can have, you know, those sort of vibe I'm getting. For some of you, I don't know, I'm sensing a church, a Christian, a church. I don't know why I'm seeing. I can see words like TORA also, another initials TORA, and I can also sense lot of things are hidden from you also, from divine. That is what I'm feeling, because you are, for some of you, you have not come into your power of high priestess. So a lot of things are hidden, you know, from you, and divine want to surprise you. God, angel, spirit guides want to surprise you with wheel of fortune. It is going to your life is going to change suddenly, you know. Some of you are already an empress or high priestess and goddess, but some of you are on this journey, you know. And if you are already on this journey, you'll become high priestess and the empress. And if you are already a tarot reader, a high priestess energy, or like a mother or an empress, then, you know, something is going to change, and divine is going to surprise you. You keep a lot of things hidden and confidential, and divine is keeping few surprises hidden from you because you are a psychic medium and you are in a goddess energy. So divine knows that, you know, you can get the you can sense the things. You can sense if something is good is going to happen, and you have idea that something good is going to happen, but you have no idea that, like, in which area and what is going to happen and how it is going to happen and when it is going to happen. But you have somewhere in your heart, with your intuition, you know that, you know, something good is going to happen. But that what is going to happen, that is a surprise. When it is going to happen, that is the surprise from God, angel, universe, divine. Okay, so things are hidden, a lot of things are hidden. And I can sense, you know, in every area, in love matter, in money matter, so in career matter, in emotional matter, in personal matter, in professional matter, in every area of your life, in every department of your life, in every field of your life, something is going to change, you know. Your life will be changed completely. Even if you are already a high priestess or tarot reader, or with strong intuition, I can see, you know, something big is also coming to you. And for some of you, if you are not a tarot reader or then your intuition is strong, you are a mother, you will become a mother, and something surprise you are going to also receive. Okay, whether you are going to receive inheritance, if you are unmarried, you are going to get married and you will settle down, those sort of things. You are going to you are going to be rich, wealthy. If you are planning for a child, then you are going to have it. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. If you are single right now, and I'm missing the past person or past friend, then this is the message for you. I had lot of options, that is why I was confused. Even I was confused with my own feelings for you, but now it has been clear to me that you are the husband and wife material, definitely. So this is the surprise I can see divine is going to give you, for those who's looking for a true loyal partner. Okay, or a husband, wife you are looking for. Okay, or a life, so it means, yeah, life partner. So this is your past person. This is your past person. If you are expecting them, your ex-lover or a past person, or if you are in some sort of separation, then this person is saying that I had a lot of options. They had a lot of options. That is why they were confused, and they were confused with their own feelings also about you. And now it has been clear to them that you are the one and you are the husband wife material, so you are the wife material, so that is why they are coming back, and that surprise is also they are going to give you, and that and divine is going to give you, and another surprise also in money and love matter so in every area of your life, those sort of surprise you are going to get. This pile is very positive. Pile 2 was quite heavy and quite lot of heavy energy was there, but this pile is quite light and quite happy vibe I'm getting with this Wheel of Fortune, the Empress, 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, the High Priestess. Everything is going to be fine. If you are facing any trouble in any area of your life, like money or success or name or fame, or you want husband, you want child, you want money, you want car, you want this, you want that, anything you want, if anything you want, it is going to happen, it is going to happen, because divine's kind of strong energy I am feeling in this pile, with this High Priestess also, and with the goddess energy also, that you have the goddess energy, you are a goddess. And I can also see that everything is going to change for you, 360 degree, everything is going to change. Your life will turn like up, from downwards to upward. You are going to fly. For some of you have strong Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in your birth chart. That is why your intuition is strong. Yeah. So your past person is coming if you are waiting for it. So what is your purpose and soul purpose and life purpose in your life? I think you already know it, because you are already a tarot reader and a psychic medium. If not, then I'll tell you, if your intuition is your intuition is very much strong, and it is going to be stronger more and more, okay? And your life purpose and your soul purpose is to I'll tell you, just a second. I'm just overwhelmed with these energies. So yeah, your life purpose is going to be something regarding spirituality, and something regarding you are going to do for earth and a whole world. You are going to create something in this world, on this earth. You are going to do something very big for this earth, for the people, for the world, and yeah, definitely for the humanity, for world, for everyone, animals, any living being, also trees, also for nature also. You are going to do something big. You are going to become a tarot reader, or also you are going to become a spiritual person. So your soul purpose is spirituality, definitely spirituality, strong spiritual vibe I'm getting. Yeah. And also with spirituality you will be doing something, you can do your own business as well, because with this Empress and High Priestess energy, you can achieve anything, you can have anything, like in pile 2 also, that was a similar energy, so some sort of similar energy in pile 1 also. So yeah, you might have watched 3 piles or 2 piles, more than 2 options you have chose. So you are going to definitely be in spirituality. Yes. Yeah, for some of you, you fight with negative entities also. For some of you, I can see that I'm getting so strong energy for you guys. I'm speechless. I'm in pile 2 and pile 3. I'm like, in today's reading, I'm becoming speechless, and I'm making a lot of bloopers, and my camera is moving here and there. I don't know what is happening in this video. So a lot of strong ladies and strong personalities, and you can be a male also, okay? This is just energy, but I can see a lot of females are watching, creator, those who can give birth, those sort of people are watching my channel, especially ladies I'm seeing. So yeah. Whew. You are going to be in a spiritual field. You are going to be you are going to become a psychic medium, clairvoyant, healer, energy healer, tarot reader, and or you you are a goddess. What else I say? You are a goddess. You are going to do something for this earth and world, and for people and humanity and for environment, definitely. Yeah, you can go and watch pile 2 as well. So this is what I feel for you. This is your life purpose, soul purpose, and this is who you are. You are the high priestess. You have strong intuition. You can see things beyond this world, as well as you can see the beyond people's mask as well. Yeah, you can you can grab the truth from far away. That is what I'm feeling, and I'm today sitting on the ground, and so I'm feeling very grounded. So yeah. So this is what I feel for you guys. I hope you have liked it. So thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe, and motivate me also, and comment down below, share others, and let me know. And please remember, this was a general reading. Okay, it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. For personal reading, you can check my description box below. Also, you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, guys. Love you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye, guys. Love you all. Mwah.